The players greet each other, and we move quickly into the action here in the Meghalaya State League. It's semi-final 1 and the first leg as Rangdajied take on Shillong Lajong. Rather, they finished off with a 2-0 win, but they started off with a 10-0 rampant Dignan. Then they beat off the Meghalaya State League. And we kick off as the defending champions Shillong Lajong take on Rangdajied United, who were the runners-up of last edition of the Meghalaya State League. And it's a first half kicking on, and you haven't seen the likes of Dibormi Kiokasar or Knati Klangwam in the Rangdajied midfield. They need to come to the party. And this is one semi-final party that you don't want to arrive late to. A bit of space there down the middle, but that would have been the offside trap. And that looks like a dive. Oh, I think it was one. The tackle did come in, but there was not much contact there from Neng Nong. Let's take a look at it here. No, not much in it. Save me, Taryang knew exactly what he was doing. A good chance for Hardy to put a good ball into the box again. Decent delivery from Hardy. Just about cleared away by Rangdajied. And they are under severe threat. The fight to them. Hardy again. Not the best delivery this time towards the first post. That was a teaser though. Not a good clearance, and that should be goal number 1. Shillong Lajong take the lead. Pathetic defending from Rangdajied. But it is Henry Ford Nong Neng who strikes first, and it's Shillong Lajong in the red corner who get the first punch of this semi-final encounter. Not the best clearance from Khur, and then how about that for a header? No chance for Banchan Sten. Nobody going up for the header quick enough, but that is a sublime. Let Liang. Aquis is on the bench. So is Basuklung Bina. They need to come on for sure. And to make matters worse, Ibiang goes into the book. Poor challenge. Taking down Chano. Doubles the lead. Is Ibiang Mame Nonneng into the book. Hardy with the delivery, another teasing one. Sten misses it! And has that been cleared off the line? It hasn't, it's been given. Another goalkeeping mistake from Rangdajied United. And Shillong Lajong double their lead. Hardy plays it in. Let's take another look at it. Sten makes an absolute mess of it. Now we'll have to take a look at the replay again to see if it crossed the line. But that'll be Hardy's goal. What is the keeper doing there? Let's take a slower look at it from this angle. And a few more minutes left today, and 90 of course in the second leg. Can Rangdajied dig deep and do what champion sides do? But now they have to contain this counter-attack. Nice 1-2. Onside is Figo. Looks for the ball back to Sangti, who could have shot, and it will be 3. That will be an own goal. Sten makes a mess of it again. And you can hear the disbelief in the stadium. And that should be the end of Rangdajied United. What has happened there? Oh my word. You can't blame Sten for that. What kind of a clearance was that? I'm not sure who it was, but Sten can't get himself off the ground. And the fans move. It was red versus blue, but it was a blue day for the Rangdajied side. They just started off poorly under the blue sky, but the red hot form of Shillong Lajong just got to them and they couldn't feel the heat. That was the first goal from Henryford Nongneng. Kurba came close, so did Figo. Buam came the closest as he struck the crossbar twice from distance for Rangdajied. This was a good attempt as well, but the final pass just didn't find a teammate there for Rangdajied. At half-time, Shillong Lajong led by a goal to nil. But this is where it all turned. Banchsan Sten came to clear. He missed it. And then the ball crossed the line. And that was the right call from the ref. That goal went to Henryford. Buam again from distance with a fantastic strike. It was always dipping, but it looks like the keeper would have saved it. Aibyang got his second yellow. And then Arquis with a poor clearance which found the back of the net, and Sten couldn't make that save and readjust. And Shillong Lajong tried for number 4, but they couldn't get it. And eventually